This video is taken to inform people in general. Uh, People who are working in anthropology or related field of anthropology must cooperate with their conservator colleagues or other team experts. Um, Video creator or video recorder cannot be held responsible for misconception or misapplication. Please keep in mind this. Hello, I have recently bought this skull, which is the upper jaw here and then also the other parts. And as you can see, here is the lower jaw of the skull, which is separated and which has been broken during the transportation. And today I will stick the skull together, and I will give you some clue about how to stick and which specific glue you must choose to. Well, it depends on what you do, because mostly in the restoration cases you must choose water soluble skull, because unless you choose that, you cannot separate bones in case it is wrongly assembled. So it's important to use water soluble skull, but also there is no standardization for using a water soluble skull. Again, you must follow the process, like always ask conservator and always ask people around you how to fix them together. So giving information here is important, and also you must follow the process. So if you follow the process correctly, if you ask conservator and other people around you on how to fix it, you will be fine. And here I will show you this 500 super glue, which is I can show in here, and I will use this one because I'm sure that these two parts must be assembled together. So we know exactly, like as you can see here, it will be assembled. And for the next video I will show you how to assemble. As I told you in the previous frame, I have told you to assemble these two pieces together. In that case, I will use again 502 super glue, which has been suggested by purchaser. And as you can see, there we will just drip little one, just very small amount of it. And we will connect it together. So we will have to wait it for a couple of minutes to assemble it. And I was suggested to use this glue by a purchaser because it's better to use in this case, as I told you in the previous frame. And always following the instruction is better, and then you know how to handle it. Now we have assembled it together, and then it's almost going to dry. So it's all about this process. And thank you for watching, and follow up for more videos.